Basi mimi kwa majina ni Samuel Mugo na mimi ndiye nasimamia gereza hili la Kiambu. Changamoto ni kama hiyo, unajua kwanza kwa saa hii nimesema ya kwamba watu waendi kotini. Ingawa wanashughulikiwa, lakini unajua hawajashughulikiwa kwa kiwango ambaye ilikuwa inaendelea mbeleni tangu hii mambo ya corona ianze. Hiyo ni changamoto moja. Ya pili, hawatembelewi na watu wao. Hawatembelewi na watu wao tangu mambo ya corona ianze. Hiyo pia ni changamoto. Otherwise tunawachunga vizuri na wanaendelea vizuri.
My name is Beth Mawakiri. I'm the current sitting chair of LSK Kiambu. We don't have physical attendances. We are trying to minimize physical attendances in court because of the COVID and the regulations that have been given by the Ministry of Health. So we find the cases that can be handled in court are very minimal. So in this matter, we are trying to help the prisoners to make their case when they're still in here, because we would notice that the transportation from here to the courts, the several courts in Kiambu, it's a challenge also, leave alone the physical appearances in court. So we are trying to make it easier for both sides, the judiciary and the prisoners, to be able to communicate to our clients who are here and be able to proceed with the matters that are able to proceed without much. Those ones that are remaining, the witnesses who are like police officer, the investigating officer and the doctors, they can be able to proceed with their matters and close their case, and their matter is concluded the earliest possible time.